so much easier than climbing up on the roof. So much safer using one hand to do this. Hello, thank you for watching the video. Today we have a roof broom. Just got this, opened the box, haven't even taken it out yet. So we have the broom here, pretty lightweight. It's like a neck that attaches directly to it. Got some bolts, some nuts. We've got a wrench for that, 2 wrenches it looks like. Gloves. And we've got a bunch of extensions here. So I'm going to start putting this together and we'll try it out. All right, I'm going to try to briefly show you how to put this together. I'm going to put it together myself off camera, but you have the center hole here. And by the way, the brush bristles here are approximately 17.5 inches, 18 inches across here. I did weigh this and it's really pretty light. It's 10.5 ounces, so not even a pound. These are not, I don't know what this is, but it seems to be pretty durable. It doesn't look like they'll be coming out that easy. I can't even pull them out and I'm not going to really try. So you got a center hole here and you take this bolt out. It's got the nut here and we were provided 2 wrenches, a Allen wrench for the top part of the bolt, and then for the nut we have the wrench here to hold it when you tighten it. So yeah, taking it out, got 2 washers, one on the top and one on the bottom. Try not to lose those. But what you do is you take this piece here, so it starts to kind of angle towards the top. That is the smallest aluminum section. It's very lightweight. I didn't weigh this. It goes in like this right here. All right, just line up the hole, or the holes, one on the top and the bottom, and you put that bolt and nut through washers first. Tighten it up. That's how you do that. Okay, so brush head is on now. Use my 2 wrenches to tighten it. You really want to tighten it really tight because this does not go on very far, the nut. So yeah, you want to tighten it really tight in case you're on the roof. You don't want it to fall out. So looking pretty good. Now we go to the braces. Here we have 2 braces and they're identical on each end, so it doesn't really matter which end you use, but you connect it right here. And then there's a center hole right here, so it'll look like that on one side, and then the same on the other side. 1 bolt and 1 nut. There were no washers, so that'll go through. Yeah, that'll go through the holes on each of the braces. And again, it doesn't matter which end you use; they're the same. Alright, so braces are attached now, tightened down securely here as well as up here on the broom head, and yeah, it seems to fit pretty well. Then we have this curved portion that goes again to the broom itself. From here on out, everything is just going to be straight. We have push button attachments. Let me grab those, or extensions I should say, individually wrapped. Let me give you a length. All right, so just measured this extension here, and it is the same as the rest, about 47.5 inches. So our total length, I believe they said, was 22 feet. So what you do is you put a couple of the extensions on, 2, 3, enough to get on the roof. At that point, when you have the weight of the broom with the 2 or 3 extensions on, enough to, like I said, enough to get on, it may take 4, whatever, you have it laid on the roof itself, and then you start adding your extensions. That'll make it easier for you. than to put them on and then have to carry it, because it is going to have a bow according to what they're showing here. So yeah, start out with as few as possible, have it laying on the roof itself, and then add your extensions from there. Here is leaf broom at 21 feet, full extension. I think I might have said 22 earlier in the video, so I went back to the Amazon site and they claim it to be 21 feet. So it's a good length. And yeah, you can see there's going to be kind of some bow in it if you try to lift it. Full extension. But yeah, there it is. It's got a nice comfortable grip on the final section. There is 5 sections, not including the first section that goes into the broom head. That's kind of a half section, I guess. So let's see how it would be to lift this on the roof in full extension. You can pick it up with everything attached, and there is a bow. It's not that bad and it's not that heavy, but you'd probably want to add them when you're putting it together on the roof. Okay, so I didn't have any sticks on the roof, so I threw some up here to test roof broom. So I've got some up here, just a few. So let's go back, grab a roof broom, and see if we can get them down. Let's try to get the last one here. Using one hand, it's not that heavy. So I don't want to get them in the gutter, so I'm kind of pull them away like that. And there we have it. I don't have any pine needles on the roof, but I do have some on the driveway. So let's do a simulation of what it would look like with roof broom and how well it would work maybe on the roof. So here's what we've done with a few strokes of roof broom on the driveway. And actually this is not pine needles, probably a little bit heavier. This is Leyland cypress that has died and fell on the driveway. But yeah, you kind of expect something like that. If you're comfortable with roof broom at that point, you can take your time and do several strokes. I'm sure you can get a pretty clean roof. All right, so here we are at the highest part of the house. And we have a valley here, 2 peaks over here. I don't know how high that actually is, but there's a door right there, so it's pretty high. But there's a stick up there, right up there. I'm about 20 foot away, and I can barely even see the top or the ridge of the valley there. So we're going to have to use a ladder. So let me get the ladder and see if we can get the stick down right there. Okay, so much easier than climbing up on the roof. So much safer. Using one hand to do this. And it is awkward with one hand when it starts getting closer here. But I think you get the idea. And we can get behind chimneys. I'm standing on the ground here. Another very high point on this roof, and I would need a ladder for something like this. So I'm standing on the ground and I can't even see up there. All right, I'm thinking roof broom will also be pretty good for getting spider webs that you just can't reach. I've got roof broom here -2 of the extensions. So that'll be it for roof broom. Worked pretty well with my situation. I tried to find the longest I could find, and I did purchase this on Amazon. It's around $50, so I'll try to leave a link below if you're interested in getting one of these. I've been having troubles linking because of operating system I'm using, so may not be able to, but yeah, if you want to go to Amazon, they should have them on there. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it works pretty well. I think the bristles on this are very good. I don't think they're going to be coming off. And good extension. I tried to find something a little longer. I tried to anyway and couldn't. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.